kom salai ti mi kham pisena thangan du mi se atucho nan zabi den nan thunain rak au chiao ai jun rak dir chiao kan lai patho mang cheo lian le Nagaland champion Venuzo pai na chan sang lai
thong rất thang ni Venuzo cha som nga akan the ai lo ku ku pe mu
tu dia sambo tu ni khan dola zakat Venuzo kha lakso athen
amalai zong ni Venuzo cha zakat akan the kan lo
kha lakso ma chot ma na o
what about I
Kha ana chuat tak changi le kha mang cheo lian le Venuzo kha kan ma chin champion le na ka champion bak si ho hi na tum suk pak lo ko yo kha na thiluk chol ko lo ma kha Venuzo come on yeah you got it okay come on cheo lian lai pa nang ma in kun ba ka si ho ma cheo lian nang ma in kun ba kha na phone pe chho ber jangu Facebook la pe khai ber jangu Farin kha hau je le na tha hoi lo na mui te he ara na tha lo
Jom makalak ana tay kante ya thong pilyan ni mang cheu lian cha zakat
wow
Venuzo cha zakat ku pe
okay de la cha hai okay
Venuzo has a cut by veterina. Hello. Mang cheu lian, Chan Umri, Natachua, Venuzo. Good job. That was a fantastic strike.
Kha ma cheu lian heti na ma in kun bak si ho kha he lai pa kan mala kan bunma akan tay dis khola lo he kan mala kan bunma kan ni lagal lo akan tay dis khola lo he kha tang he chat ma cheu lian come on Venuzo hey Venuzo come on you got it kha Venuzo come on ya fa Facebook la pe chami ko hulo we cha sako lalim lo ti poi taksi
tunai ye feel lang mang pol ni kha nok thakon ha sa torren nok share riu an thiam bak ti ko
kha kan lai pa
ambong ban chat ning hi le
kha kan ban out ta 1 2 3 wow au kha hi atha chira au kha he chat kha ma chelen kha nanga de ma chelen lai pa pa thong mui do
ya Venuzo hi pai pa jong pe chui pa mang he cheu pi tha ko ma nan to kha tha ko te an tlan chok to alin pa fon le ra kan ngai thiamo Okay, you guys gonna have 5 minutes break of water. Not yet though, not yet. In 5 minutes, you guys gonna have a water break. Minute pang water break na lako. Laksong to rakchwarim he wa.
Laksong rakchwar hao he.
Rakchwaru yo. Sia. Tuang bak na churi te.
Venuzo Kapu. Just humble to the Chile Club President is a Katla Sotra. Kaka. Hello. Kaka.
Wow. Almost.
Kaka Laipa, Material. Naka Kaliwa and Taichang. Atu can in Kuna and Taitana Chun. Scotty Lalohe. Come on, tell head choppy. Laipa Patron Bang. Can in Kunia and Taitana Chun Nakarama can come Tilohi. Atu ang Taitana Chun Nakatilota, but not Italian. Come on, tell the Chaka out of the line. Well, Yauza Indianapolis Rodeluma.
Nung aglokan si.
Kaka.
Anawam lao, nung aglokan si.
Venuzo, come on, you got it. Chapi, Italian.
Okay, minute pangating le nang batuk di kantihalan tiya sunan ding ka. Kantihalan tiya sunan ding ka. Championship winner to Venuzo from Nagaland. Venuzo from Nagaland is the winner.
2023 CYONA and Tuami Bay Championship to Venuzo Dawhuo.
Aduh, asyik. Mang CEU LIAN Zongka integrasi Jongkal Ashok Kala Tiga Zoom. Nazia Chatuk, Kanalom.
Compete with the Chin wrestler.
Yeah, first of all, I thank God, the Almighty God. Yeah, and secondly, my supporters, my families, my leaders, and prayer warriors. Thank you. And yeah, it was my lucky day. I'll say it. Yeah.
I mean, with short words, but very, very meaningful. Vekhozo, is there anything that you wanna add to the moment, the convention, the wrestling, and your overall visit here and the wrestling moment?
Yeah, it was a memorable journey. We enjoyed a lot the programs and all the activities that happens this tournament. And regarding the wrestling, we know that it's going to be a very tough competition, and we come prepared for that. But honestly, long journey and then change of rest and the diet. I have a little doubt in my mind whether he can really pull up or not. But I'm so happy that they could make it. His opponent is MANG CEU LIAN. He's a very tough guy. He has his physical advantage and then also his experiences. So I was a little bit how it will be like, and I can see though he is confident, but I don't find him at his level best. So winning is we are very happy, and we are very grateful to the team people for all the support and help extended to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Vekhozo. Last but not least, I just want to ask if there was another opportunity to wrestle in Chin traditional wrestling in the US, Are you guys open to that opportunity? And how soon?
Yes, before we come here, we were informed that either 7 or 8 we may have another competition. So we hope that that is going to be happened, but I don't know whether that is planned or not. We are also in discussion with the WPC that we will have another competition in November. We are happy for. We are grateful to them for extending their invitation to us. So we will go back and then we will discuss, and we will discuss in detail. And yeah, sure, we have a lot of friends, our fans waiting home for the results. We don't know whether they have viewed in the PPV or not, because the timing of the competition and the cost of PV is not very much possible for many of our friends back home. Anyway, we dedicated our winners to all of our friends back home. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Venuzo. Thank you very much, Vekhozo. Thank you very much for joining us at CYONA convention, and we hope to see you guys again. Any last word?
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.